Alright guys and girls, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. That was pretty cool. We won down at the East Coast Indoor Nationals. Me and my buddy Jeff both took a trophy home. It's not about the trophy, it's about the hanging out, and I had a great weekend hanging out with some friends, so it was a good time. The trophy is just like a little added bonus to it. And I tell you what, those guys, they do guys and girls, they do such an amazing job on these shows. And there's 4 of them. We're getting ready to go to Lebanon, January 8th, Lebanon, PA for Drag Fest. So we got to get the car ready to go for that. And we chewed up another starter flywheel combo. So this car usually starts perfect. I mean, it starts better than most of my fuel injecting cars. I mean, hit the key and it starts up. So we really need to get this problem behind us and move on to other things. So today we're going to put it up on my buddy Jeff's lift. He has a lift. So we're going to get it up in the air. We're going to replace the flywheel, put a new starter in it, and we're going to mesh them up perfect to make sure, like I say, this problem can be behind us. This is not what we want to do. So we're going to head down there. And because the starter's messed up, we're going to have to jump start it. It's a TKO 600, so it's a 5-speed in the car. So we're going to have to jump start the car, either push it or drift it off the trailer. I'm not sure. Whatever way is the easiest down here. And get it in there and, again, get this problem behind us. So I hope you stick around for this video, and it should be a good day. Alrighty, she's off the trailer. We just drifted it down the hill, kick started it. As soon as I opened the door, the temperature change hit, and this thing frosted over. It's clearing up now that we got the heat on, but it frosted over big time. So first thing I'm gonna do is wipe her down, then we'll get her up in the air. All right, transmission's out, flywheel's out, and she is ground up. And I'm gonna take the blame for that, because I run a first starter in February with a shim in it, and it ate it up. There's our clutch, still looking good. Clean this up a little bit while I'm in there. And get her back together. It didn't take too long, did it, Jeff? Yeah. That wasn't bad at all. We're like experts anymore at this shit. He's a positive guy, isn't he? Alright, so here's the new flywheel. In case anybody wants to know. 460130. I don't know what happened to the first one, but it lasts for about 6 years. And like I said, I was ripping on this bad boy and she cut loose one day. Here's the new one. I don't know if we can see this. Nice. Nice. So hopefully my problems will be gone. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'd like to take a second, ask you to support the channel. The only thing you have to do, and it's completely free, hit this like button. Come down here, hit that sub button. Click on the little bell and hit all. That way you'll get notifications every time we put up a new video. And like I say, it's free and it really supports the channel. So thanks a lot, and back to the video. All right, so we got the transmission back in, the new flywheel, the new starters in there. And let me turn you around. So we got her back in. We're getting ready to fire her up, see what we get here. So like I say, this thing always started well. I got seat covers on here so I don't dirty anything. My mats are flipped. So let's get her cranked up once. All right, ready? Fuel pump. All right. Cool. All right, so now, since we are going to Drag Fest, let's see, in 3 days, I got the truck out there. I'm gonna run over, grab the trailer, bring the trailer over here, and get this car loaded up, and then we're gonna head over to Drag Fest. So stick with me, guys. Grab the trailer, get this car loaded up. I'm looking forward to this Drag Fest show this weekend in Lebanon, Pennsylvania. If y'all want to look it up, here's where I keep my trailer at, in this building right here. But if y'all want to look up Drag Fest, it's a cool show. I mean, plus I'll be there, so you'll get to see the video of it anyway. So, all right, let me back this thing up and get this trailer hooked up. All right, she's all in. Now let me get her strapped down. And thanks to Jeff for letting me use the lift, his shop, and for all his help always. Always like to thank my friends. All right, the car is fixed. It's cold as hell out there. I don't know if it showed, but car is fixed on the trailer. Again, we had 11 in Pennsylvania, a couple days here. I'm gonna have my work cut out for me. The ground was muddy back there. I actually was trying to spin the tires to kick some of the dirt out. I crawled up underneath it and tried to clean. So the day I get in there, we get in there early anyway. So the first day we get in there, there's nothing but set up and clean up. So I'm gonna have my hands full this time around cleaning up, because the underside of the car, especially the back half of the car, underneath is just dirty. I mean, it's just from riding through the mud, anything to kick up there. And at these shows, they crawl underneath the cars. and when they're doing their inspections and they're judging of your cars, they're under the cars. So cleanliness is the number one thing to being successful, getting the trophy, if you will. So I guess cleaning is what's going to happen, coming very, very soon. So anyway, I hope you stick around. The Lebanon video is coming up. Dragfest. That's a cool show. That is a really cool show. I've been there in the past, and I look forward to seeing all those cars. So anyway, I'm rambling on. Thanks guys for checking out the video. I'm going to fill this puppy up, run it through the car wash, and my poor trailer, it's filthy. It's covered in actually Michigan salt. I squirted it off, run it through the wash, and it just keeps popping up out of everywhere. So I am eventually going to have to buy myself a new trailer. Anyway, thanks guys, and we'll see you very soon.